Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn a new topic in grammar, that is ing form of verbs. Verb ing form. A verb shows what a subject does, says, has, or is. Right? We have learnt verbs. Verbs means action words. So, what is the ing form? Ing form is nothing but only the continuous tense of a verb, like eat, eating, show, showing. So let's see some rules for the same. Spelling rules for forming ing verbs. Like we use ing forms many a times, but there are some rules for the same. So let's see rule number 1. When a verb ends with the suffix ing, it is known as ing verb. Like it is an action word and it is ending with ing, so it is known as ing verb. So first thing, you have to find out the verb, and if it is ending, suffix means the end is in ing, then it is known as a ing verb. You have to copy this first point. Okay? Then write down the topic, verb, ing form, write rules. In the rules, you'll copy this first sentence, that is the first rule. I'll give you one example. Eat, eating. So actually eating is nothing but eat plus ing is equals to eating. So we have seen the ing form of eating. Second rule is when a verb ends in e, drop the letter e and add ing at the end of the verb. So you have to keep in mind when the verb ends with e, like make, game. So you have to remove the last e and add ing over there. This is the second rule. Like make, making, game, gaming, we remove the e. Then comes the third rule in the ing verb forms. When in a verb, vowels like a, e, I, o, u come before the ending consonant, the consonant is repeated or doubled. Children, you all know that there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. There are 26 alphabets and the remaining are called as consonants. So in this third point, we come to know that if the verb has a vowel like A, E, I, O, U, that also at the second last place. So in this cases, the consonant is repeated or doubled. Example, run and chop. See, the second last word is U. That is a vowel. So RUN, we see last is a consonant, second last is a vowel. So the last consonant becomes doubled. Like RUNNING. Same is for chop. CHOP, chop. O is a vowel and P is a consonant. So CHOPP. The P alphabet is repeated. So this becomes our rule number 3. So you have to write down the ing form and all the 3 rules for the same. Here you can see a detailed explanation with some examples. Verb ending with one E, like believe, have, live, take, move. That time we drop the E and it becomes believing, having, living, taking, moving, as I explained you in the previous section. Short one syllable verb ending with CVC. Sit, get, plan, run, stop. Double final consonant and adding ing. Just now we saw in rule number 3. Sitting, getting, planning, running, stopping. 2 or more syllable with CVC. Begin, forget, regret, admit, upset. Double final consonant if last syllable is stressed. Beginning, forgetting, regretting, admitting, upsetting. And last one is Verbs ending with ie like die, lie, tie. Change ie to y. Add ing. So that's why we see the die spelling becomes dying, lying, tying. These are the rules, but you don't need to copy this sheet. You only have to copy the 3 rules which I have given and write them down neatly in the English notebook. Now we'll just see further. ing forms. Ing form of the verb can be used as a noun. Running is very good for your health. I improve my knowledge by reading. I love dancing. Ing form can also be used as an adjective. Amanda is an interesting person. That concert was very entertaining. My best friend started an exciting new job. No need to write down this. This is only for your explanation. Here are some more verbs with the ing form and the spelling is given. Work, working. General rule is adding ing. Study, studying. Live, we'll drop down the e. It will become living. Write, writing. Run, here the double consonant. So running, swim, swimming. Die, we have to remove the ie and add y. So die will become dying, lie will become lying with lying. So this is again for your reference, but I want you to copy this page into your notebook. So you have to copy the 3 rules, this page which I just now showed you, and now comes the exercises. These exercises are to be written neatly into the notebook. Write exercise 1. Fill in the correct ing form of verb. First one, next week we are dash to California. So answer will be next week we are flying to California. Second, Beth is wiping the sticky fingerprints from the window. So here the base form of verb is given and you have to write the answer in the ing form. Next, third one, hurry, the dog is dash you. Hurry, the dog is chasing you. What kind of cake are you dash for mom's birthday? What kind of cake are you baking for mom's birthday? Are you dash one piece of fruit or 2? Are you taking one piece of fruit or 2? Melissa is dash a portrait of her sister. Melissa is painting. She's dash a lot. Is she sick? So answer will be she's sneezing a lot. Is she sick? I hope this exercise is clear. Now let's move to the second exercise. Again, exercise number 2. Write the correct form of ing verbs. He is dash football. I want you to answer it. That's correct. He is playing football. My mom is making a cake. You can write my mom is baking a cake. They are reading a book. We are running in the park. I am riding a bike. So this is the way the base form of the verb will be given and you have to write it in the correct ing form with the correct spelling. We have seen the rules for spellings also. Now let's move to the next one. The teacher is dash a song, singing a song. My brother is walking the dog. The bird is flying. I am drinking water. My family is sleeping. So this is our exercise number 2. Remember, you have to write the topic, verb ing form, then the rules for spellings. Then 2 exercises are done. Now comes the third exercise. Write each verb and tell about now. I am dash my sister with the homework. It is very easy. Help. Use the ing form. We are dash the night at a friend's house. So spend. Add ing. She is dash for her lost ring. Look. Add ing. Dad is dash the car over there. So, park, you have to add ing for it. The four answers I will not tell, but I have already given you the hint that you just have to add ing and the sentence will be grammatically correct. I hope you understand this and complete it nicely. This is the third exercise of our lesson. It is very easy and simple. I don't want you to panic. Still, if you find it difficult, you can always ask me. Grandma is dash a peach pie. Baking. Our town is dash plastic and glass. Recycle, so it will be ing. The last word is e. You have to remove the e and add ing. Recycling. The boy is dash his new bike. RIDE, ride. Remove the e, add ing. Who are you dash with on your phone? Who are you talking with on your phone? Here, the verb will be added ing. I hope this is quite clear. Best of luck. Write neatly. Once again, I'll remind you, write the name of the lesson, the rules for ing verbs and 3 exercises. Thank you.